Right enough. Buck ain't here.
I came to see you.
I'm busy.
You don't like me, do you? But Buck does. He asked me to marry him.
Huh.
The Carnival boat's leaving this afternoon.
You ain't aiming to stay behind, are you? You ain't thinking of having him go with you?
He said he would.
Oh. He's talking through his hat. Buck's a logger. Always has been, always will be. He don't know nothing else.
Logging. And what'll that get him?
What he's always wanted. A man-sized job. Not traipsing around the country with a lot of cheap river show folks.
He won't be doing that with me. I'm quitting.
Well, he's not. Buck's going to stay here and take my place as boss. You've got nothing to offer.